Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Right now, I'm on the MQL5 Marketplace page for Forex Miner EA. I can see this is developed by Nguyen Doi, and it is currently version 5.4 with the latest update on the 19th of July 2025. It is priced at 119 US dollars, or you can rent it for 30 US dollars per month with 5 activations available. From the overview, this EA is designed around what it calls accurate trend tracking strategies. The idea here is that it focuses on identifying strong market trends and trying to stay aligned with them rather than reacting randomly to price movement. Scrolling through the description, it emphasizes that the system is fully automated, meaning once installed, it handles trade execution from entry to exit without manual intervention. It also mentions that it can trade all currency pairs and commodities, but it highlights Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and GBP JPY as the most optimized pairs for better results. Now, moving into the concept behind it, the EA is built using multiple trend indicators combined together. The main goal is to follow strong directional moves and reduce losses caused by poor timing or emotional trading decisions. It also repeatedly emphasizes money management as a key part of its design philosophy. Okay, looking further down, I can see recommended settings such as using a starting lot of 0.01 and in some cases an account size reference of 1M depending on the setup context. It also mentions ECN brokers with low spreads for better execution conditions. Now I'm just going to switch over into the strategy tester and look at how it behaves on historical data. But before then, let's see what we have here. 167% over 47 weeks. All right. So going to our strategy tester right away, I'm testing the Forex Miner EA on Euro USD on the M5 time frame over the past 5 months. Okay, so we're testing from the beginning of this year till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server and we're using the every tick modeling. So looking at the backtest results from an initial deposit of $100,000, we had a total net profit of 26,525.54, and the balance drawdown maximal was 0.62%. Okay, that's quite impressive. But then the equity drawdown maximal was 10.2%. Okay, I guess that's also fair with a profit factor of 2.7, and the total trades taken were 2,378. Short trades were 1,066. Long trades were 1,312. The total profitable trades were 1,595 out of 2,378. So that gives us a general win rate of 67.07%. So about 67% of the total trades taken were profitable. And the largest profit was 1,928.5, while the largest loss was 724.48, and then the average profit was 26.42, and the average loss was 19.94. So judging from the average profit and average loss, it means that the average risk to reward ratio is fair. Okay, it's not exactly very good, but at least the average profit is bigger than the average loss, right? And it's also impressive to see that there were 23 maximum consecutive wins, while the maximum consecutive losses were just 3. So as I go through the historical data, it's important to remember that this is not live trading. Okay, so these are historical backtest results, and performance can vary significantly depending on broker conditions, spreads, slippage, lot size, and optimization settings. All right. So from a structural perspective, the EA appears to be built around trend continuation behavior, with multiple trades sometimes clustering during directional phases, which suggests it tries to stay engaged when momentum is present. Overall, the Forex Miner EA presents itself as a fully automated trend-based system that is designed to capture strong market moves while while relying heavily on configuration and execution conditions. Before we wrap up, let's just briefly look at the EA in action. So I'm just going to turn on the visuals and we can just see the EA in action. All right. Okay. So here we can see some information being displayed, showing the currency pair, the time frame, OHLC, the win order type, loss order type, okay, ticket profit, lots, and all of that. And we can also see that this EA seems to be the type to stack trades, right? We can see that a sell position was executed here, and then as price continued to go against it, another sell was added with an additional lot size, or rather with a higher lot size. And then, as the price continues to go further, another trade was added again with a larger lot size. Okay, 0.01 was added in each instance. Okay, so we can see that this is how the EA functions. All right. And then you can see this seems to be the strategy that the EA uses as it captures opportunities in the market. But before using the Expert Advisor Live, I'll still recommend running longer term testing and forward demo testing so that you can better understand how it behaves across different market environments. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.